Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to retrieve archive charts on Facebook Messenger. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here are the steps to retrieve archive charts. Step 1. Launch the Facebook Messenger app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture or the icon in the top left corner or the three lines to open the main menu. Step 3. Look for the option labeled Archive Charts or a similar term. This is usually located near the top of the menu. Step 4. Tap on the Archive Charts to view the list of charts that you have achieved. Step 5. Find a chart that you want to retrieve. Swipe left on the chart until you see the More option. Step 6. Tap on More and then choose to click the option to unachieve or restore the chart. Step 7. The chart will now be restored and moved back to your main chart list. And always ensure that your Messenger app is up to date, as new features or changes might be introduced in updates. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.